middle of a scorching summer in the bustling town of Nandpur. The sun shone fiercely, and people sought refuge in shade and air-conditioned rooms. Among the many children living in the town were two boys, Ravi and Arjun. Though they went to the same school, their lives were vastly different. Ravi came from a wealthy family that owned several businesses, while Arjun's father worked as a mechanic and his mother as a tailor. One day, Ravi came to school buzzing with excitement. His parents were throwing a grand summer party at the town's newest attraction, the Water World Park. Ravi invited the entire class, urging them to bring swimsuits and be ready for a day filled with fun and food. Arjun, sitting at his desk, listened intently but couldn't help feeling anxious. He had never been to a water park before and worried about how he would fit in. The excitement at school was palpable. Everyone was talking about the party. As the date approached, Arjun found himself torn. He wanted to go to the party but worried about being judged. His family didn't have the money to buy a new swimsuit or the fancy clothes he thought were needed for such a party. Arjun shared his worries with his parents. His mother, with a reassuring smile, said, "Don't worry, Arjun. It's not about what you wear but about enjoying with friends." She then took an old pair of shorts and a t-shirt and worked her magic, making them look like brand new. On the day of the party, Arjun packed his things and walked to the park with mixed emotions. He knew his parents had done their best, and he didn't want to disappoint them. Ravi's chauffeur-driven car zoomed past, with Ravi waving enthusiastically at Arjun, urging him to hurry. The entrance to Water World Park was bustling with activity. The gates were decorated with balloons, and a large banner read, "Welcome to Ravi's Summer Splash Party." Children were running around, and laughter echoed through the air. Ravi's parents had spared no expense, ensuring the party was the talk of the town. Arjun walked in, feeling a bit out of place initially. However, the sight of the sprawling water slides, wave pools, and fountains quickly caught his attention. Ravi, noticing Arjun standing by himself, ran over. "Come on, Arjun. Let's go on the big slide," he said, pulling Arjun towards the water rides. As the day progressed, Arjun found himself laughing and splashing around with his classmates. The initial hesitation melted away, replaced by joy. Ravi ensured everyone felt included, making introductions and encouraging games that required teamwork. While everyone was enjoying the slides and pools, a boy named Karan noticed Arjun's old clothes and began making fun of him. "Did you borrow those from your grandfather?" Karan teased, drawing attention from others. Ravi overheard and immediately stepped in. "Hey, that's not cool, Karan. We're all here to have fun. It doesn't matter what anyone is wearing," he said firmly. Ravi's words made an impact, and Karan apologized, realizing his mistake. Later, while they were eating, Ravi shared a story with the group. "You know, my father always tells me that what matters most is how we treat people, not how much money we have. Friends are precious, and we should always respect each other." Arjun felt grateful for Ravi's support. He realized that true friendship and kindness are more valuable than any material possession. As the sun began to set, Ravi's parents announced a surprise. They had arranged for everyone to take part in a treasure hunt around the park. The children were divided into teams, and Arjun found himself paired with Ravi and a few others. The hunt was exhilarating. Clues were hidden all over the park, and each clue led to the next challenge. Arjun, with his sharp eyes and quick thinking, proved to be an asset to his team. His ability to solve puzzles impressed everyone, including Ravi. In the end, their team won the treasure hunt, and they were awarded small trophies. Ravi handed the trophy to Arjun, saying, "You were amazing, Arjun. We couldn't have done it without you." The party came to an end, and everyone was preparing to leave. As they said their goodbyes, Ravi's mother approached Arjun. "Thank you for coming, Arjun. It was lovely having you here. You're welcome to visit us anytime," she said warmly. Arjun thanked her and Ravi for the wonderful day. Walking back home, he felt a sense of belonging and newfound confidence. The party had taught him valuable lessons about friendship, kindness, and being true to oneself. The next day at school, things were different. Arjun felt more connected to his classmates, and Karan, having learned his lesson, treated him with respect. Ravi and Arjun became good friends, often hanging out and working on school projects together. Months passed, and the story of the summer party remained a fond memory. Arjun's friendship with Ravi grew stronger, and they learned much from each other. Arjun taught Ravi to be humble and appreciate the small joys in life, while Ravi helped Arjun gain confidence and dream big. One day, during a school assembly, the principal announced an upcoming competition. It was a creative storytelling contest with the theme, "What is True Wealth?" Ravi and Arjun decided to participate as a team. They crafted a story about two children from different backgrounds who discovered that the greatest treasure is friendship and empathy. Their story resonated with everyone and won first prize. The principal commended them for their insightful tale and teamwork. The experience brought Arjun and Ravi closer and inspired others at school to embrace diversity and kindness. They started a club called Friends Forever, aiming to bridge gaps between students from different backgrounds and promote inclusivity. Through various activities and events, the club encouraged students to share their experiences, learn from each other, and celebrate differences. It became a safe space for everyone to express themselves and make new friends. Arjun and Ravi's efforts transformed the school community, fostering an environment of respect and understanding. The school magazine published their story, making them local celebrities. The impact of Arjun and Ravi's friendship extended beyond school. Their story reached the wider community, inspiring others to reflect on the values of compassion and empathy. Ravi's parents, proud of their son's growth, supported the Friends Forever Club, organizing events and workshops to promote the message further. As time went on, Arjun's family's financial situation improved, and they could afford small luxuries. However, the biggest change was in Arjun himself. He had gained confidence, knowing that wealth wasn't about money but the richness of relationships and the kindness we show others. The next summer, Ravi's family decided to throw another party at Water World Park. This time, it wasn't just for their class but for children from all over the town, regardless of their background. The party was a celebration of unity, friendship, and the spirit of inclusivity. Arjun, now a confident and respected young leader, helped organize the event alongside Ravi. As the children played and laughed together, Arjun and Ravi watched, knowing they had created something special. Their journey had shown that true wealth lies in the bonds we form and the love we share. True wealth is not measured by money or possessions but by the strength of our relationships, the kindness we show, and the empathy we have for others. If you like the story, then subscribe to the channel for more interesting stories.